Playing ano? Playing play dead part 8. Ay, part 8 pala. Ay, mali. Part 8 pala.
Part
Pala.
What 8 ay puwet.
Tara, dito ka na dito eh. Tayo ka dito. Tayo ka sa sa taas.
Sa ulo mo?
Hindi, ako tatayo sa'yo. Ako muna. Ako muna tatayo sa'yo. Lumabas yung leg ko.
Lulawa.
Uy, wag mo na. Wala na, na-shoot na ako. Na-cancel tuloy. May ginagawa ko yung lumabas leg ko eh.
Nagawa mo na nga yun kahapon.
Gagawin ko yun.
Kailangan pa mo gano'n. Matagal pa yun eh. Ulit na ito.
Wala na, nahulog na ako.
Ako naman.
Hindi ka masishoot. Wala ka sa ulo ko eh. Nahulog ako. Ang lapit ka na rin.
Hindi ako.
This rabbit is fated. This rabbit is fated again. This rabbit is fated. This rabbit is fated again. Bilis. Bumabas. Bilis.
3.
This rabbit is fated. Bilis. Bilisan mo na. Ba't di ka makakyat? Bilisan mo. Maka-cancel yan. Bilis. This rabbit is fated. Natumba ako. This rabbit is fated. This rabbit is fated. Tingnan mo nangyari sa akin. Nagsisake ka ako.
Cancel na tuloy.
Nakatayo ako. Body ko.
Huwag na. Cancel tuloy.
Bilisan mo na. Lagi ka na ng libis. Tumatalon lang ako eh.
Wants to get into heaven, but this angel does not let him. The fat man snatches the book from him and takes a look to see if he actually deserves to be let inside. He thinks about it for a while, which makes the man really hopeful. But then the fat man just takes the stamp out and denies it, and then gives an evil glance. This breaks his heart, and the fat man just starts playing around with him. He finds this really funny until he deep throats his donut and starts to choke. He then slowly starts to fall back, and he falls off. He tries to fly back up, but Will forgot that he weighs 500 pounds. He reaches up for help, but the devil man is unsure if he wants to, until eventually the man convinces him and he somehow helps the fatty up. They then share a wholesome moment together until the man pushes his ball down, which makes the devil fall to his death. This makes the angel very proud.
Tatawa pa din ako.
He flies back up with wings of paper. He
Huwag
flies
ka na maganyan.
all with the angel grows a pair of wings.
Na fainted daw eh. Gagawa ko ng shoot mamaya eh. Yung this rabbit is fainted.
Oo.
Ang galing eh. Bigla ako na-faint. Natatakot pa din ako. Goodbye guys. Pa-epal kasi si Day Day.